This gonna be the best Android phone in the world right now. We gonna tell the reason why we called this phone as a world best Android phone right now. First of all, the design is really good, but it's similar to the previous version S23 Ultra. Bezel is now thinner and symmetrical. Even the brightness level can go extremely down. In this video, we're not going to tell every spec because you all already know that. Let's know about the software part. You'll get Android 14, One UI 6.1 and 7 years software update. It's called the best Android UI. They implement lot of cool features of AI. It has live translation, instant search, cool photo editing stuffs that works pretty well. But none of these seems to be revolutionary or something new that Samsung introduced first. The performance was insane. Buttery smooth performance. The UI is exactly what I was looking for. Enough customization opportunities, amazing app opening time, top-notch multitasking. This phone really a power beast, and the gaming part blow your mind. No lag at all. Okay, let's go to the camera part. We know that you all are waiting for camera part. 200 megapixel, 50 megapixel periscope, 5x optical zoom, 10x optical zoom, 10 megapixel telephoto lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide. This is one of the best cameras in the world, no doubt about that. I like the fact that Samsung phone allows you to swipe up or down to switch between front and back camera. 8K, 30 FPS video support. This camera going to the best Android camera. The picture quality is really good. The background blur so realistic. Color tone really good. Now who will buy this phone? This is for them who has a lot of money and want the best one in the market that has everything no matter he will use this or not.